video, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about application of our FASTFINISH. What's very cool about this unit is it's actually a pressurized hopper. I'm going to put this down for a second. What we have is actually a pressurized hopper. So we actually take pressure off of the compressor and pressurize it. So we essentially get to push the material out. And what that does is we get a very good spray pattern out of this. It's very consistent spray pattern. We also have the ability to spray directly overhead or down on the ground. Where with a traditional hopper, I have to keep it full, and the gravity, I have to actually arc everything into ceilings and floors. So, but the other nice thing about it, because of the pressurized hopper, we basically go 6 times faster than a traditional hopper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put this down and we'll go over and spray a little bit. So, like a traditional gun, you can see that I'm actually putting on a lot of material very fast. I can actually cover walls, sheets of drywall very, very fast. I also have the ability, if I want to make a lighter texture, I can actually adjust the flow of material for heavier or lighter. So if I want a light orange peel, I can dial it down. Or if I want a heavy texture, I can actually dial this up. That gives me more material. And on here it gives me the ability to correct the air. So if I want less air, if I want something like a bigger texture, I can actually turn that air down. The particulates get a little bit bigger. So if I want to go and I want to get it where I want a real heavy texture, I can actually take that and turn that air almost to where it's off. I'm getting a lot less air. Create a little heavier. You can see as I'm getting a lot more of a heavy texture, and I'll even take it down lower than that. We get a heavy splatter. And that's just by adjusting here. What's nice about it is no matter what I do, once I have that locked in, if that's the texture I want, I'm going to pull that trigger again. It's going to give me that same texture. So it keeps that same texture finish all the way to the bottom of the pot. Now the other thing I can do here is, if you look, I'm spraying down to the ground. So I'm actually spraying down to the ground. I'm filling my hopper, and I can do this, and I can actually shoot up directly over my head. So huge difference from what you traditionally have in that. And if I open this pot up, I'm gonna disconnect that, take my pressure off, you can actually see my hopper through that demo. I'm near empty, and I'm still creating the same texture finish from the bottom to the top of that hopper, so I don't have to refill as often. I can actually drain this to the bottom. This is a FASTFINISH. So this pressurized hopper works with, we have a compressor over, and we'll show you the compressor in a minute, but this thing really puts out a lot of flow, 9 CFM, so we really put a lot of material on the wall really fast. So this is a FASTFINISH pressurized hopper, and this is available to you right now.